how to unfreeze your Instagram account. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to learn how you can unfreeze your Instagram account. If your account is frozen in Instagram, there might be multiple different reasons, like if you have broken the community guidelines or the Instagram guidelines or rules. That might be one of the reason, or you just use bot or other tools that violates the Instagram's policy. That might be one of the reasons, or you just act or you just or if your posts are not following the guidelines, or you act suspicious, your account might be frozen. So all you have to do to unfreeze your account is, first of all, you have to be calm and check for notifications for different updates Instagram might ask you. And for making your account unfrozen, all you have to do is, it might say your account is frozen. If you get that option, there might be option that says learn more, and you can request a review. Make Instagram check back the account you've gotten frozen, and after your review your account might be unfrozen again, or you can just go ahead and change the password, or just contact the Instagram team. If you think you haven't done anything against the policy, then you can claim for a review, and that's one of the best option you can do to unfreeze your account. If you got any other questions, feel free to ask in the comment section, and see you guys in the next one.